SDV.
Yes, sir.
13,
Okay, tell me what is the number?
So
No. Not this one. Not this one.
confusion. The HAZOP report with tag and the cell with another tag. So I suggest to matching the tags with the HAZOP tag.
So no. Actually, I discussed with Y. We need one table. We need one table of the old tag and new tag. Remember yesterday you have given me one PNID with old tag and new tag. So this I'm going to put in the report to avoid any confusion for the reader. So I want one table for old tag and new tag. I will put in the report.
Okay.
So then the sheet itself will mention the new tag.
No, old tag
Yes.
only.
Old tag.
Old tag only.
Okay.
Old tag only. So guys, just I want to reiterate, in the beginning of the first day, we mentioned that we are going to put old tag in the seal assessment, and we will make one table of old tag and new tag. So the reader who is going to read the report, he will understand.
Okay.
And I'm going to put both PNID, old PNID and new PNID with tag number.
Okay.
So that I don't want you to struggle after getting the report.
Okay.
Because I will go from today. Today you cannot find out after today evening.
Tomorrow in the
Okay, and the sub-description, Mr. Chairman, in the sub-description, you have written the new
Okay, guys, so now let us come back on PHH.
Yeah, okay.
To me, if you ask me, I don't want to touch it. If you want to touch me, if you want to touch that, I want to know why you want to touch it. Whether this is related to this project? Yes. Yes. But where is the documentation?
Okay.
I want the HAZOP report, which is saying that where this PHH will come.
Okay. Firstly, all the documentation are there. We have already discussed this issue maybe 5 or 6 times earlier during the design review, during the HAZOP. It has been raised during the HAZOP, and there was an action regarding the possible solutions or the proposals to I can say to prevent the issue. It's not a mitigative. It's all of them are preventive. The issue is that we have. If you'd like me to just say in 1 minute, and then I'll leave the stage to Aiz to describe, because we have already a minutes of meeting has been conducted and illustrating everything. Okay, but firstly, we have currently two pipelines which are fed from upstream fields. These 2 pipelines are 4.1 and 1.1. Okay.
What is 4.1? This is
MOL number. It's a pipeline number. So we have 2 pipelines now. One is 4.1 and one is 1.1. This is the tag number of the MOL. Okay. Later, which is our project, we will be installing a third one, which is 3.3, and later 1.1 will be